Hello, hi, how are you? I'm Robin. Welcome back or welcome to my YouTube channel. This little world right here is man for himself. If you like hair product reviews, grooming, skincare, fragrance, and videos like this very one, then chances are you're gonna love it right here. Please do press subscribe right now. Okay, it is, I say first thing in the morning, it's not really, I've done quite a bit of work already, but I've showered, washed my hair, and I thought I would kind of just have a little chat with you about some of my favorite products at the moment, hair products, and kind of what I'm doing with them in order to style it. So a chat and a do. This new space here is my like wardrobe, dressing room, studio, I don't know. It's almost there, it's a bit of a mess, but I thought I'll start using it. Also, the light might be a bit in my face, but we're gonna go wild. So, I have been kind of like changing up the shampoos and conditioners that I've been using. One of the ones that I'm still sticking with, and I've got like maxi bottles, Nioxin System 1. This really has just become a bit of a routine for me. Nioxin is about scalp health. I think like thicker, fuller hair comes from the scalp. So I'm still using this. I get a lot of comments saying, are you still using Nioxin? The answer, yes, I'm still using Nioxin. I just like the way it makes my hair feel, and my hair it's looking pretty good in terms of health, so I'm happy with it. I do look after my scalp, and I think it's really important. I do use a lot of products, I do use a lot of heat, well I used to use more, but it's feeling good. Another really great shampoo, and guys, I would really recommend this, is Ocean Mist by Sachajuan. This is like literally volume in a bottle. This is what I use today. Shampoo and condition, and you can see, let me come in, it just really fills the hair with all this weightless volume. And actually what I've been doing a lot of is on the days that I wash my hair, I'm washing my hair more often than normal. I know I've said like don't overwash your hair, but I'm just touching it so much. When I'm sitting, I feel like I've got my hands through my hair, I'm like playing with it, and I'm taking the grease from my hands and putting it into my hair. Don't do that. Don't do that, Robin. I need to tell myself. But when I am washing it, this has been great. Shampoo, conditioner, and then throughout the day, I've just got this really great volume in the hair, and it's maybe just a case of then just moving the hair out of my face or tucking it. But it's kind of been a bit of a good to go product than to not do anything else. But when I am styling it, actually I'm going to tell you about a leave-in conditioner before I move on. I have found that my hair can sometimes feel a little bit dry, and it's like feeling like it just needs a little bit of a boost. I'm all about like adding in a treatment when you need it. There seems to be an obsession on YouTube with oils. Every other YouTube creator that's launching some shit products, let's be honest. Some products are quite good actually, and I've said this before, but they seem to be like saying like, oh, I'm launching an argan oil, I'm launching this oil, I'm launching this oil. It's like, do you need that oil? So many of these guys, maybe you, who are buying these products, you don't need those oils. Your hair's already in fantastic quality. You're young, your hair looks great. You don't need this. So just maybe be a little bit more discerning when you're buying those products. But one leave-in conditioning treatment that I do love by a brand that I love is Kevin Murphy, and this is a leave-in repair treatment. Is that what it's called? Yeah, leave-in repair. Just a couple of pumps of this straight through the hair. I do this on, I've done this like maybe 4 times now, and I've really enjoyed it in the morning and just left it in my hair. And then by the end of the day, my hair feels like bouncy, it feels conditioned, it doesn't feel overly done. That's what I sometimes find with these oils. Your hair just feels a bit silky smooth. You know, we still want it to feel rough. We still want it to feel textured. I say rough, not in like a, oh God, that's sharp. But like a rough as in like it's got texture, it's got movement. It feels like it's got body. And this does that, it doesn't strip it out. I'll link all of these. But in terms of, by the way, that wasn't me having a go about YouTube creators. I know I'm gonna have someone saying, was that meant for X? Was that meant for Y? Probably, but no. Just be careful with the stuff you're buying. You don't need to buy loads and loads and loads and loads of products. There's a guy with loads of products here, but that's my job. I next would still do like a thickening treatment. A thickening treatment just to give it, the light is coming down, just to give it a little bit more body. I use a thickening treatment more as like the pre-styler phase. So whatever you want from your hair. And I'm going to be talking more about different pre-stylists, what they do and what the right one is for you. That's the important thing here. I use products because they work for me, but I'm also going to tell you about the products that are going to be perfect for you, because it's not just about me, it's about talking to you guys. But I am about thickening treatments because I want my hair to look like this, almost like too big. This is Go Big treatment by Bumble. And I just put a couple of spritzes into the hair. You can put this in towel dry hair, you can put this in damp hair. Just make sure it's not totally soaked. I kind of go overboard with this. But this is light enough, it's not sticky, it's not going to weigh the hair down. But what it does is just wrap the hair in order to get your hair dry, there's heat protectants in that, and then start to kind of move the hair into the position that you want. So I'm going to go medium heat, fast speed, and we can kind of just get through this bit. Okay, you can see the hair has got more body, it's kind of got more direction to it, and that's just because the heat has helped with that product in order to start laying the hair you want. Always finish on a cold blast of air. You can see if you point too much heat on your scalp or your forehead, it is going to go a bit red, so just be careful. Blast of this, cold air there, and just take the heat of the hair down, seal the cuticle, up the shine. It's all the stuff I say on this channel so much. I'm all about techniques and I'm all about things that are going to help you. So subscribe if you've not yet done so. Okay. Okay, there you go. Huge hair. Because it has more weight to it, the longer the hair is, the more weight that my hair has. My hair tends to be very flyaway when it was short, so like I needed to be piling products in to give it weight to hold it down. A lot of you will have slightly heavier, thicker hair. I would say head to manfromself.com. The hairstyle directory is going to be a huge help to you. If you've got fine hair, thin hair, thick hair, medium sort of hair, you can press a button and it's going to give you the hairstyles that you want. Also, if you've got Asian hair, so Asian hair tends to be more coarse, it tends to grow out really straight. You tend to need to have quite a lot of length in order to have it to be able to stay down, or you want to be keeping it short. And there's also some Afro hairstyles in there too, and it's going to give you what to ask your barber and how to style it yourself. I'm loving the hairstyle directory, I should say. There's so much going on there and I'm really proud of it. I think it is just something that's going to help so many of you guys find a hairstyle that suits you. Okay, what would I do now? I'm looking at the products here. I'm kind of either stopping here and then just leaving it. We're still in lockdown in London. I'm not going out. We've just heard that barbers are opening again on April the 21st, I want to say. I think that's it, with the 12th. I'll write it down here. And then we can kind of start to like get back to life proper in June. Right, I am using a couple of different products. Fatboy styling cream was one that has a hair on it that I got more into last year. A lot of my products are still in storage. I've got a storage container up the road from me and so much is in there, and some of my favorite products are still in there. So these are products I've just been reaching for. I like this. This is lightweight. I've used this as a pre-styler, but I've also used this into a bit of styling. And then a product that I received about, it must have been about 3 months ago, certainly when I was here, a whole box of products arrived. I then worked with them, Uppercut, Deluxe and their clay. But I've enjoyed this because I thought having longer hair would be harder to use these thicker styling products, but actually they've been great. This just gives it loads and loads of matte texture. You can see it's a bit of a hybrid product, so it is quite waxy, but it goes in really with a sort of matte finish, and I just think it's giving it loads of texture. So I'm not going to use that much. I'm going to use about this. With all your products, guys, emulsify them. So scoop hands, really warm it up. You don't want bits. And if you're getting bits, then you're not using it properly. Just take the time to warm that product up. Okay. I then am just kind of coating the outsides. Don't want to be putting too much through because I still want it to look like a little bit more natural. I'm also getting it through the back, but I'm tending just to like get a parting. Partings with longer hair are so much easier. Just to sweep it behind the ear and pull down on the back. I do look like a 90s librarian today, but I'm feeling it. And then I'm kind of, I don't care about a messy part. I'm not gonna get hung up on it. There's greater things going on in the world. This is like just a really quick, good to go. And I might do this. Or I might flip it the opposite way. Revolutionary, Robin. Revolutionary. And if you've been with me for some time, hi, let me know in the comments how long you've been with me for. But flipping it the opposite way your hair grows, so mine naturally grows from my left to my right, and that sits flatter to the head. But if you sort of flip it the opposite way, you're gonna get more volume. And I might then do something like that. I mean, fairly similar to the last one, but you can just tease the hair either forward, like so, or back. But there's more root lift there. Might grab a brush and just start to sweep back. Totally honest, do I ever do this? No, but this is an option. And there you go. I was just gonna pop on here and just do like one look, but then I thought, oh, I'm playing now, I may as well just do three. Probably wouldn't do this look, probably wouldn't do the second look, but the first look is what I'm doing at the moment. So those are the products that I'm really enjoying at the moment. When I get my stuff out of storage, when I get my life ordered, when I get this place sorted and ordered, there'll be more products coming up. But the products pages on manfromself.com are literally like most of the products, quite a lot of the products that I've tested and reviewed, and also that you guys have put your own review on. So check that out. I'll put that in the cards there. Also the hairstyle directory, do check that out. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you've enjoyed this one. Thanks for allowing me to ramble, chat, drink some coffee, and just talk a bit of shit. If you've still not pressed subscribe, then please do press subscribe right now. The button is there. So some more video suggestions down there. Stay with me and watch them. Hairstyle directory I'm going to put you to, or products, hairstyle directory there. But until my next new video, bye-bye.